Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install WordPress on IIS on Windows Server 2022. First, make sure that Internet Information Services, IIS, is installed on your server. If IIS is not installed, you can follow the instructions in the link at the top right corner to set it up. Next, we will install PHP and PHP Manager on IIS. First, download the version you need from the official PHP website. Because we need it for IIS, we chose the thread-safe version. Then, extract the downloaded zip file to a location on your Windows server. Next, to manage PHP in IIS, we use the PHP Manager extension. We will download the PHP Manager extension from Microsoft's website, which is for IIS. We install the downloaded file with a few simple clicks and then exit the IIS Manager and re-enter to see the PHP Manager icon and double-click. Continue to click on Register New PHP Version. Select the following file where the extracted PHP folder is. Now, you have successfully installed your PHP. Now, access the following link to download the MySQL installation file. Next, proceed to install MySQL as follows. Now, you need to create a database and create a WordPress website. Open MySQL command line client and run the following commands. Access the WordPress download website to download the WordPress source. Once you download WordPress, you need to extract it. It is recommended to put your extracted files in the www root folder inside the init.pub folder. Now, we have to rename the WordPress configuration file and edit it. When you edit this file, make sure you have the database name, database user, and password. As in our case, we already created it in MySQL. Next, open the IIS Manager. Select Add Website to add a new site. Type your website domain name and select the physical path as the path of your WordPress folder you extracted. Then, go to Bindings from the right pane. Type the host name as your website domain name and click on OK. Now, go to the following URL to install WordPress. Enter the database information created to access. Finally, you can see WordPress has been installed successfully.